What's up YouTube? Drew here working on a 2UZ. This is a 4.7 liter V8 in a 2008 Tundra. This goes back to the 90s in, Land Cruisers and things like that. It was in Lexuses, it was in the first gen Tundra, and Toyota killed it in 2009. That was the last year. Anyways though, so behind this sprocket for the timing belt is an oil seal in the oil pump. I have a video on how to do the oil pump in this vehicle without taking the engine out. You might want to check that out if you're about to do that job. Anyways, that seal, Toyota uses a special tool to get around the crankshaft and press it in. And here's the old pump. You can see there's a tiny little bevel, a 45 in the aluminum, and the bottom point, the bottom 45 of the 45, if you will, is where the edge of that seal is supposed to line up with. And then what I found is that the coupler, a female to female coupler for a piece of 1.5 inch PVC pipe is the right size. I put a piece of pipe in there to make it longer than the shaft that I was pressing the seal around. And then this also helps you press or tap your sprocket back onto the shaft. So just a little quick tip for you. You don't need a special tool. You just need some stick-to-itiveness and like a bucket, Lowe's or Home Depot. Anyways, this is just a quick tip from Drew here. Definitely like the video if it helps, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.